What roles are being cut at Walmart and Groupon amid 2026 AI layoffs? The rise of AI is reshaping jobs in surprising ways, and the roles disappearing might shock you. At Walmart, the 2026 AI layoffs focus heavily on cashier and inventory-related roles. With self-checkout systems and AI-powered inventory management, many manual tasks become automated. This move isn't just about cost-cutting, but about increasing efficiency and accuracy. Workers who once scanned items or stocked shelves now face job displacement as AI handles these repetitive processes faster and with fewer errors. Meanwhile, Groupon targets marketing analysts and customer support representatives in its layoffs. AI-powered algorithms analyze customer data and optimize marketing campaigns without human intervention. Chatbots and automated response systems handle customer inquiries more efficiently. These changes allow Groupon to reduce staff in roles that AI can now perform, signaling a shift in how companies approach customer engagement and data-driven marketing. The common theme in these layoffs is automation of repetitive and data-heavy roles. Tasks like scanning products, analyzing large data sets, or answering common customer questions are prime candidates for AI replacement. This shift frees human workers to focus on complex, creative, or interpersonal tasks that AI cannot replicate easily. However, it also means significant workforce restructuring in retail and tech-related support sectors. AI's rapid expansion is changing the job landscape at companies like Walmart and Groupon in 2026. Many routine roles are disappearing, replaced by smarter technology. Understanding which jobs are vulnerable helps you prepare for the future. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay ahead of these surprising shifts.